Coming up, I'm going to reveal my favorite service to help you scale your emoji apps and lower your design costs. I've used this service for app icons, screenshots, and even complete iMessage apps. It's going to really help you whether you're a blogger, app developer, or entrepreneur. This is by far my favorite design service. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.co, the place you go when you want action-packed content related to the app business. Now, today, I want to tell you a quick little story before I show you and share with you my favorite design service. I was talking to a friend of mine, and he was telling me he was working on a bunch of emoji apps. Now, if you've been following Carter Thomas's blog, Blue Cloud Solutions, you'll know that he's talking a lot about emoji apps. I know a lot of people that have come from the reskinning service and are now creating emojis. They're now starting to create a lot of emoji apps and using Facebook ads and so forth. So I was talking to a friend of mine last week, and he told me, I was like, how the emoji app's going? And he's like, pretty good, but man, my design costs are killing me. Like per app, it's in the thousands of dollars. And I was like, what? Seriously? Like you're paying $1,000 plus per app per emoji app? And it makes it more difficult for you as the higher costs, obviously, you have per emoji app, the harder it is to recoup that cost. And especially if you're running Facebook ads, you're going to have to spend more money. So I said, hey man, you should check out this service. I pay for it. I've been using them for a while, and I've been able to create like emoji apps, iMessage stickers, which is essentially an emoji app anyways, but an emoji app and an iMessage stickers. And that's how my YouTube channel images are created, my blog post images, my podcast, like everything's been created from that. And I even, use them for app icons. So you should really check them out. And that's why I created this video, because I thought, hey, if he's having this problem, if he's spending all this money on getting custom design work, then you guys should really check out this service. So the service is called Design Pickle. Now, I have been paying for this service, and it's a service that provides you with unlimited designs. It's a really, really great service. Now, they don't do logos, so you should look through some of the things they do not do, but they do a lot of stuff. And I've been really, really impressed with the service. And if you want to check them out, I've got an affiliate link, so I do get paid money if you guys do sign up using my link, but it is appmasters.co/design. appmasters.co/design. So let me go to the screenshots to show you all the cool things I've been able to get out of Design Pickle. So here's one of my apps. This is an app that I created. It's an iMessage stickers app. Back in 2016, I was like, hey, I'm going to go crazy with iMessage sticker apps, but I obviously haven't kept up with it just because of what I'm hearing, that it's just not as profitable that I thought it would be, or maybe even Apple hoped it would be. But I want to give you this example. So this was an app that I created, launched right before Christmas last year. And it's the Bad Santa iMessage stickers app. So if you're not familiar with iMessage stickers apps, they're like emoji apps, but they only live within iMessage. So you can only use it within text messaging. Now for emoji apps, that you can use anywhere. So it's a custom keyboard that you can use. Like the popular emoji apps would be Kimoji, or the Bieber has an emoji app, Justin Bieber, and then I think Kevin Durant even has one. Steph Curry has one. So a lot of big celebrities have their own emoji apps. And with emoji apps, you can use any messaging app. You don't necessarily have to use iMessage, but the one I created is an iMessage app. Now, I think specs wise, they're probably about the same. So this Design Pickle works for both. Whether you're using iMessage stickers or emoji apps, they'll work for both. Now, this app that was created purely all through Design Pickles. So I had the app icon created on Design Pickle. I just said, hey, here are all the dimensions I need. Please create this app icon. And as you can see, what I really wanted to focus on was getting Santa stickers and quote unquote bad poses from the Santa as well. So you can see him doing Gangnam style. We have pineapple, PPAP, so pineapple, apple pen, him doing that. We have him doing a bunch of different things. If you're listening to this on the audio, we have him doing a bunch of different poses that you are familiar with it. So On video, you can see all these crazy poses. So we had the app icon created through Design Pickle. We had the stickers, all these little stickers created through Design Pickle as well. I just gave them a few of the examples, and that's all they needed to know. And then lastly, what I really liked about it, because I was like, let me see if I can get everything done through that, was the screenshots were actually created through Design Pickle. So if you're listening to this, I'll link it up, the Bad Santa stickers app, into the show notes so you can take a look at the app as well. But you can see that these screenshots were created by it. And I think I just sent them like, hey, this is what the emoji screenshots look like. Can you make something similar? And that's what they did. So if you can see all this, right? Like Bad Santa bad stickers. That should have been Bad Santa, not Santa bad stickers. So I should have probably caught that earlier. But as you can see, like they created the exact screenshots in the dimensions I needed and in little iMessage forms. So they did all of that, and it's a service that I completely pay for. It's only $370 a month, and that's what you get from it. So what we've used, because we pay for this service every month, they're creating, if you've been following our YouTube channel, please subscribe. You can see all the custom images. Those are created by Design Pickle as well. When I've told them, just because I thought with YouTube, some of the tips I got was, put your face on the YouTube thumbnail because that's going to get people to really watch your videos and that increases views. So I've been trying to say, hey guys, here's the new video that we've got created. Can you please create a YouTube thumbnail with the words and then put my image right on top of it? Something like that, and that's all they need. So it is designpickle.com. If you want to support me and use my affiliate link, you can use appmasters.co/design, and that will redirect you to Design Pickle, and I'll get a little percentage if you end up signing up. The last thing I want to tell you is, for our clients, and if you look at some of the videos that we created, the number one Apple feature mistake, I talk about design being so important. I kind of walk you through the different design icons that we've helped our clients create. Now, back then, it was all our clients had the designer already, and so I just gave them more direction. But for some of the other clients that we have that maybe on a stricter budget, usually indie developers, I always want to help them out a little bit more. And so with them, I say, we'll help you create a new icon. And so one of our clients, he's not out yet. The app hasn't been out yet. He's been in soft launch, and we've done a couple of different things with ASO and app icon. But here's what happened. So I'm going to show you the before. Here's the client that we have, and we're coming out with this game soon. Hopefully we'll get an Apple feature. But this is their current icon, and this is the icon that they were using before they started working with us. So for you just listening to the audio, you'll see it's more of a box design. It's a sentence builder app. It's a really, really cool word game called Sentence Master. But as you can see, it's very boxy. It's got that like 3D feel, which, when I initially told the client, I said, hey, this looks like 2000, circa 2000, I want to say 11 or even 9, when Apple was starting to these apps were really starting to grow. It's like, it looks kind of outdated. These were cool back in the day, back when we were young, but they're not so cool now. Like, I would really go after a flat design. And I think if you look at the app, and I'm gonna show you some of the icons or the screenshots from this, it's a really flat design. Like, once you get inside the app, it's really well done, really well designed, and looks beautiful, right? So I said, what if we kind of made it flat design? And it finally came to me. I said, he's got these great little tiles for the words. Why don't we just put Sentence Master and give it the flat design? So I'll show you real quick what the icon that we just created. So here, if you're watching this video, here's the new icon. And as you can see, this is what Design Pickle created. And all I said was, hey, here's the color code of this flat design. Put Sentence Master kind of like what we have in these screenshots. And I just sent them the screenshot. So I'm going to, if you definitely watch this video so you can see it. But as you can see, like, these tiles very much match the app already. And it's a flat design. And we're still using Sentence Master, the actual app name. And we did it before. So we're launching soon the real release from the soft launch, and we did some A/B testing on Google Play, because you can do that, and that'll be an upcoming video that I will create for you guys where I'll show you how to do icon A/B testing. But we did an A/B test, and this new icon outperformed the old icon by 19%. So we got a 19% increase in download just by switching the icon around on Google Play. And we'll see how well it performs. So this will be the official icon when we release to Apple and everywhere else for the full version 1 release, because we've been in soft launch for quite a while. But that's the key to design, right? Like really coming up with a good icon, keeping up with the trends, and kind of looking at what Apple wants to feature too. And as you can see, I'm pretty proud that we were able to increase the conversions by 19%. Because frankly, like it's a little scary. You have an opinion, but when the data presents itself and you're right about the opinion, then it feels good because the icon could have performed less. So it was a little bit scary for me, but good to know that my gut was correct in that, hey, I feel like the icon's a little bit dated. So it is Design Pickle. I love it. It's been a service that I've been paying for a long time. I actually stopped paying for them, full disclosure, a while back ago because I wanted to hire somebody full-time on our team. But then I noticed that, hey, it's hard to find designers. It's really hard to find good designers all the time. And I've been really happy with their service. So I canceled for a couple of months trying to hire a full-time designer that we already had on the team. I then said, you know what, your designs aren't as good. I'm gonna go back to Design Pickle. And so it is a service. It's $370 a month, really, really affordable. I say it's probably better than trying to find your own designers. I'm just showing you all the things you can get done through Design Pickle. Oh, one last thing, I actually created an infographic. If you saw one of our older videos, it says, the least or the most effective at marketing channels. That infographic was actually created through Design Pickle as well. So a lot of cool services, a lot of cool designs that you can get through Design Pickle. Now, if you want to use my affiliate link, it is appmasters.co/design. Really easy, appmasters.co/design. Go check them out, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.